Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, I'm Jenna, a Salesforce consultant at Solved, and today we are addressing a critical question. What is the expected return on investment, or ROI, for deploying Agentforce? Businesses need to understand the financial implications, including the costs, to make informed decisions. So we'll show you how to calculate and understand the potential financial impact using Salesforce's ROI calculator while keeping the costs of Agentforce front and center. Now, traditional AI solutions often present a black box scenario, lacking the integration and transparency Agentforce offers within the Salesforce ecosystem. To move beyond the hype and into hard numbers, we need to understand how Agentforce can drive savings and revenue growth through increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and data-driven insights. Now, this includes a clear understanding of the Agentforce costs. That's where the ROI calculator and a clear understanding of pricing becomes vital. So let's first look at the Agentforce cost structure. Understanding the Agentforce cost structure involves several key components, primarily centered around conversations and Einstein requests. So here's a breakdown of the key elements. For conversations, the base pricing is structured around a per conversation model, and the starting point is generally $2 per conversation. Agentforce utilizes Einstein requests, which represent the AI processing involved in conversations. Each conversation will consume an Einstein request, and Salesforce provides a certain allocation of Einstein requests with each conversation purchase. So a couple of things that influence cost is conversation complexity, volume, or overages if you exceed those Einstein requests. Now let's jump into the Salesforce Agentforce ROI calculator. If you scroll down on this page on their website for Agentforce pricing, you can see calculate your ROI with Agentforce. So if we open this up here, we can see there's a couple of different options. We've got customer support, ROI for sales coaching, and ROI for sales development. So let's take a look at the sales development here. You can go ahead and put in your company's or your specific business data to see personalized estimates of your potential ROI. So let's say our company here has 200 SDRs. They spend about 30% lead prospecting. We'll say their annual salary or annual cost is $65,000. I'm gonna up this to 20 leads touched per week, 200,000 unengaged leads per year. We'll say percent of outbound leads shifted to Agentforce over the course of 3 years. You can see year 1, 2, and 3 is 80%. Lead conversation rate or conversion rate for incremental lead volumes, we'll leave at 20%. Average deal size, we're going to increase this just a little bit. And then opportunity close won rate and gross margin will leave the same. So you can see we calculate based off of the productivity benefits and the benefits from the qualified leads, and then subtract the Agentforce investment. And down here at the bottom, you get the net benefit. And down here at the total is down here at this column at the bottom of the total is the total ROI for implementing Agentforce. So as you can see, the ROI for implementing Agentforce can be huge. So what are the recommendations and next steps? We recommend starting with a pilot project using Salesforce Foundations, which offers a free credits to test use cases in your own org. This will allow you to gather real-world data and accurately assess the potential ROI for a full-scale deployment. Use the Agentforce ROI calculator with your own data and pay close attention to the impact of the Agentforce cost per interaction. Understanding your expected usage and the associated costs is vital for accurate ROI projections. This calculator is a valuable tool for understanding the potential ROI of Agentforce, and it allows you to model different scenarios and make informed decisions about your investment. Remember, the accuracy of the results depends on the accuracy of your input data. So take time to gather accurate information about your current operations and your expected Agentforce cost. Now, Solved is here to help you navigate the process. We've been aggressively testing Agentforce in our own org, and have the expertise to assist you with implementation, optimization, and maximizing your ROI while being mindful of cost. We can help you understand and manage your Agentforce costs to ensure a positive ROI. So contact us for a free consultation to discuss how Agentforce can benefit your business in a cost-effective manner. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.